Okay, so Google has released the trailer for the Google Pixel 8 and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and there are a lot of features you have to see. And they also recently had their keynote 2023 where they introduced a lot of features into the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and the phone is just bizarre. So let's see what we can actually get from the trailer. Stay tuned.
Meet Google Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro.
Okay, so first of all, what I want to actually say is that the two circles you see on the 8 Pro, which is on the left side on the camera rim, one of them is a temperature sensor. That is one of the new hardware features they've actually introduced into the 8 Pro, and it's so cool. Basically checking the temperature of anything around it. And I mean, I don't think it will be perfect because, you know, usually first gen technology isn't always perfect, so let's not expect too much from it. But it's a really good thing, a really good hardware feature.
Engineered by Google with AI controlled by you. On video, you get video boost for a smoother view.
Video stabilization, that's cool.
Night sight in the dark. Less distracting audio.
Nice. Okay. iPhone 15 also have that kind of feature. I think it's called noise or voice isolation when you're calling someone, basically removing background noises whilst you're calling a person, and it's actually very accurate. Let's hope so for the Google Pixel phone.
In real tone, so you look like you. It does amazing things. So you can capture the cosmos, create the right light, zoom in, make the mini mega. Or swap this, and yeah.
I mean, inbuilt or default photo applications on phones are becoming so advanced that I'm starting to question why Photoshop exists.
That too. Nice. Photos made perfect with a tap. Want more control? Shoot with pro-level tools modeled after DSLR controls.
Okay. Wow,
or
she's
reimagine
pretty.
an image with Magic Editor from Google Photos.
I mean, Photoshop could do
While
this.
you're out there taking great pics, Titan M2, Tensor G3.
The Tensor G3 is actually the main highlight of the phone for me personally, because I'm all about performance, and I'm like, the phone delivers. Like, all the AI elements they've included into the 8 Pro and the 8, the phone is just marvelous.
And a built-in VPN help keep your info
Built-in
secure.
VPN.
And
That's
Safe
nice.
to Check has your back. Turn it on. Then we'll text emergency contacts if you can't tap in. And cool, you're home. It doesn't just keep you safe, it saves you time.
Oh.
Summarizing web pages, screening calls, even holding for you. It'll make you wonder, can a phone be made of magic? Nope, it's AI. And that's kind of our thing.
Wow, that was insane. Okay, so that was the trailer for the Google Pixel 8 and Google Pixel 8 Pro, but honestly, I feel like they were actually paying more attention to the camera of the phone, right? They didn't really talk about the performance or any other cooler feature apart from the camera, and I feel like the camera is what everybody is expecting out of a phone right now. So like, I feel like that's what they did. But to me personally, I don't really give a crap about the camera. All I care about is the performance. Tell me the performance of this phone, baby. I need to know. I really need to know. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Check out.